Hello my sparkly cuties! I'm gonna show you how I made a watermelon yogurt fruit punch using a mini watermelon. So cute! But first, I want to show you how to choose a sweet and juicy watermelon. It should have a creamy yellow spot like this. This means it's full of flavor, and orange is also okay. It should be evenly round and feeling a little chunky with dark and kind of dull stripes like this. If you make sure to check your watermelon for things like this, I guarantee you it's gonna be sweet and juicy. For the most part, you can use any sharp knife. I prefer to use a serrated one. It makes it easier for cutting. So you can see that I'm not cutting it evenly in half. I like to keep a little more than half of the watermelon to use as the punch bowl, just so I have enough room to hold all the fruit juices. It's gonna be so cute. I'm gonna trim the end of the watermelon that I'm using as the punch bowl, so now it stands upright and stops running away from me. Now this part is optional. I'm feeling a little fancy though. So I'm using a small melon baller to make little balls of watermelon. I just think it's a cute shape to put in the punch. You can also use a spoon if you want. And this is what it looks like. And if you want to be even more extra like me, you can use a cookie cutter like this. Oh my god, stop. Isn't that so cute? It's a little star, just like you. And then I made a few more watermelon balls. You can also just use a big ladle spoon like this and scoop it up and you'll get pieces of fruit too. And I basically just kept scooping at it until I got as much of the fruit out as I could. Then I poured the watermelon juices and fruit part into a separate bowl, nice and clean. And now I can make the watermelon shell look more like a fancy fruit punch bowl. I'm just gonna cut out little triangles around the watermelon, almost like giving it a little haircut. It doesn't take much effort, but I feel like it gives it a little bit more of a fancy look. Ta-da! My fruit punch bowl is ready. Now I scoop the watermelon back in, including the juices, and I'm gonna add in some yogurt drinks. Double fisting! I'm in my strawberry girl era, so that's what I added, but feel free to add your favorite fruits. And let's be extra and use the cookie cutter again, this time with a heart. She's a cutie! Oh my god, I love it. I added some orange slices for color, and chocolate daisies because why not? Oopsies. Well, that's a goner. That's okay, someone will eat it. And here we have our watermelon yogurt fruit punch. Enjoy!